So the dietary guidelines recommend that Americans eat seafood 2 to 3 times each week. But unfortunately, seafood, kind of like fruits and vegetables, is just one of those foods that people are working to get on the table more frequently to meet that recommendation. They're not quite there yet. In the research that we've done, we've found really one of the biggest barriers is people just aren't comfortable preparing seafood. And as someone who has so much culinary and recipe development experience, what are some tips that you might have for people who are intimidated to cook fish?
Well, I would say start at the grocery store. Don't be afraid to talk to the fishmonger that's behind the seafood counter in your grocery store. They are a wealth of knowledge. They're great about recommending fish for different dishes. They're also great about making alternative recommendations if the fish that you're looking for wasn't there in the case that day. And don't be afraid. It's easy to prepare and it's gonna be good whatever you do. So just be brave and give it a try, and maybe you'll find something new that you really love.
And what about types of fish? Are there some that are more suitable for beginners that you can think of?
Yes, I would recommend maybe a white fish that's a little more mild in flavor, like a grouper or a tilapia, maybe a snapper, or shrimp. Shrimp is another great one that's really easy to prepare. A lot of times it's even already cooked for you in the frozen section, so all you have to do is bring it home and thaw it and throw it into your favorite dish. So something that's a little milder in flavor, if you're new to fish, might be the best way to start. There's a lot of fish that are available in your freezer section, and sometimes they even have a convenient recipe right there on the packaging of the fish that gives you the recipe to make it that night.
Yeah, so that would be a good option. If there's not a fishmonger right there,
Right.
you can get that information right on the package.
That's right. And also, don't be afraid to turn to canned fish or pouched fish. They have really wonderful flavors right now that they've already even incorporated into the pouches.
Yep, and I really love those options because you don't have to use them right away, so you just have that option waiting for you.
Yes, it is a definite time saver when you're running out of time and you need to feed your kids and you have it waiting in your pantry.